Where Pyynikintori, the light rail is opening in 2021, first stage, as the terminus.
Asuntokehtiö Pyynikintori vaan Tampere.
Yes.
Probably staircase A.
Built in 1928 by the architect Veikko Kone. Oh, look at this, modernized in the 1960s. Actually, modernized in 1991. It doesn't say the year of construction, but it's 1928, as we know.
Yeah.
By Valmet Otis, 1SY8021. And what about these buttons? Is it this Hissi buttons?
Yeah.
About like 1964. So maybe this was upgraded in the mid-1960s, modernized in 1991.
Yeah.
4 versions of 320 kilos. But Kone originally. Beautiful place.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. It's going to be inspected this year, 2019. Let's go back. The alarm button is special.
Yeah.
And this one has the original call buttons on the outside.
Yeah.
Valmet Otis leveling.
I think counter right or?
Yeah, sure. Can take it. This doesn't have a bench. It should have it.
Yeah.
Maybe it used to have one, but it was taken away.
Yeah.
Maybe there was one with the old Kone logo on it. A wooden one.
Yeah.
That you could fold down. I don't understand why they had to take it away. Maybe it was because it was repeatedly vandalized.
Yeah.
Yeah. Press down. Yeah, you can hear when it's the lock system was also upgraded in 1991. But I cannot see the original metal plate anywhere.
Nice.
It's been taken away. Must have been right there.
Yeah.
And these panels probably also renovated in the mid-1960s.
Yeah. Inspected by inspector and maintained by Otis on every scratch.
And these instructions in Finnish and Swedish, but they have also been taken away.
Yeah. That's